Imagine an AI so advanced that even Elon Musk calls it scary smart. No, this isn't a sci-fi movie. This is Grok 3, the latest brainchild of xAI, promising to redefine artificial intelligence as we know it. With next-level reasoning, turbocharged computing power, and a search engine that actually thinks, Grok 3 isn't just here to compete, it's here to dominate. Powered by 200,000 NVIDIA GPUs, trained on a mountain of data and boasting reasoning skills that might just outthink us all, Grok 3 is the latest and greatest from Elon Musk's xAI. Whether you're an AI enthusiast, a skeptic, or just someone who enjoys seeing tech giants go head-to-head, you're going to want to know what makes Grok 3 special. Ladies and gentlemen, AI enthusiasts and anyone who just enjoys watching Elon Musk shake up the tech world, brace yourselves, because xAI has just dropped its latest bombshell, Grok 3. And no, it's not just another minor upgrade. It's supposedly a quantum leap forward, outshining its predecessor Grok 2 by an order of magnitude. Musk's words, not mine. But wait, there's more. Alongside Grok 3, xAI has also rolled out Grok 3 Mini, because every AI needs a little sibling that's just as smart but doesn't eat up as much computing power. And if that wasn't enough, they've introduced Deep Search, a fancy new tool they're calling a next-gen search engine. Think Google, but with an AI twist, and probably a few sarcastic remarks thrown in, given Grok's personality. During a live stream on X, formerly known as Twitter for those still catching up, Musk, ever the showman, proclaimed, "We're very excited to present Grok 3, which is, we think, an order of magnitude more capable than Grok 2 in a very short period of time." Translation, it's way smarter and they built it ridiculously fast. The secret sauce? Grok 3 was trained on a staggering 200,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs, twice the number used for Grok 2. That's an obscene amount of computing power, which probably means someone's electricity bill just skyrocketed. To make this AI dream a reality, the team at xAI expanded their Memphis-based supercomputer Colossus over 92 days, proving that even AI needs a solid foundation to stand on. Musk claimed Grok 3 has 15 times more computing power than its predecessor, though in a previous X post he mentioned 10 times more. Either way, the message is clear: Grok 3 is a beast. So, where did all this knowledge come from? Well, Grok 3 was trained on everything from user posts on X, which should be interesting, to court documents, which should be thorough. Basically, it's been fed a diet of internet chatter, legalese, and who knows what else. And here's hoping it doesn't develop the habit of arguing with itself. Of course, xAI isn't the only game in town. Grok 3 enters a battlefield already filled with AI heavyweights. Google's Gemini 2.0 added some useful features earlier this year. OpenAI is gearing up for the release of GPT-5, which promises to unify all of its AI models. And Anthropic is cooking up its next big release, which could drop any day now. So while Grok 3 might be impressive, it's stepping into a ring full of seasoned contenders. For now, Grok 3 is being rolled out to X Premium Plus members starting February 18th. These loyal subscribers, who recently saw their membership price jump from $16 to $22, at least get first dibs on the new AI toy. So maybe that price hike wasn't for nothing? And then there's Super Grok. Yes, that's the real name. This upcoming subscription service will be exclusively for Grok 3 users, offering access to Deep Search, higher image generation limits, and features from Grok 3 Mini, including something intriguingly named Think. Prices, however, remain a mystery, because nothing builds hype quite like making people wonder how much they'll have to fork over. During a February 13th interview on CNBC, Musk confidently declared, "Grok 3 has very powerful reasoning capabilities. In the tests that we've done thus far, Grok 3 is outperforming anything that's been released that we're aware of. At times, I think Grok 3 is kind of scary smart." Now, before we all start fearing our future AI overlords, there's just one tiny issue. Nobody outside of xAI has actually been able to test Grok 3's capabilities yet. So for now, we're left taking Musk's word for it. And while the team has admitted that Grok 3 answers based on what it believes is the truth, there was a noticeable lack of discussion on how often it might fall into the same hallucination habits as its predecessor Grok 2. So will Grok 3 be an oracle of wisdom or a confident fabricator? Only time will tell. But Grok 3 isn't rolling solo. The xAI team also introduced Deep Search, the first wave of what they're calling Grok 3 agents. These agents are designed to help users ask complex questions and get detailed step-by-step answers. The team even referred to it in their live stream as a next-generation search engine. In other words, it's Google, but with an AI twist and, probably, some snarky Grok humor built in. Of course, xAI isn't the only player in this agent-based search game. OpenAI and Google have their own versions of these tools, both called Deep Research. So was xAI feeling inspired, or are we just in an era where all AI tools need deep in their names? Either way, competition is heating up. Deep Search promises a level of transparency that traditional search engines don't offer. It actually walks users through its reasoning process, showing them each individual step it takes, from contemplating the question to conducting research and finally delivering an answer. During a live demo, Deep Search took about a minute to compile its response, citing 15 X posts and 32 web pages as references. That's a lot of cross-referencing. Let's just hope one of those sources isn't your uncle's conspiracy theory blog. Another nifty Deep Search feature? It lets you peek inside Grok 3's thought process. In a test case about March Madness, Grok 3 laid out its reasoning. Probably I should look at team rankings, their performance during the regular season, any injuries or key player statuses, and maybe some historical data on how they perform in tournaments. If only human sports analysts were this transparent, instead of just making bold predictions and hoping for the best. Interestingly, this reasoning feature follows in the footsteps of Chinese AI company DeepSeek, which launched in January and also showcases its AI's thought process. It seems that transparency is becoming the new AI trend, whether it's for credibility or just to flex those logical muscles. Musk claims that this substantial boost enables Grok 3 to outperform OpenAI's GPT-4 in benchmarks assessing mathematical reasoning and PhD-level science problems. Notably, Grok 3 introduces advanced reasoning modes: Think for step-by-step problem solving, and Big Brain for tackling complex tasks requiring more computational heft. Additionally, xAI rolled out Deep Search, a next-generation search engine designed to enhance Grok 3's research and reasoning capabilities. The AI community has responded with cautious optimism to these developments. Andre Karpathy, an AI researcher and OpenAI co-founder, noted that Grok 3 clearly has an around state-of-the-art thinking model, suggesting it stands toe-to-toe with leading AI systems. Nonetheless, some experts advocate for more rigorous, independent assessments to substantiate performance claims fully. As AI technology advances, the emphasis is shifting toward models that can reason, contextualize, and provide nuanced insights rather than merely generating text. xAI's Grok 3 and OpenAI's o1 exemplify this evolution, each adopting unique strategies to enhance AI reasoning. The true measure of their capabilities will unfold as users engage with these systems in real-world applications, providing feedback that will drive further refinement and innovation. So, what's the verdict? Grok 3 is shaping up to be a formidable contender in the AI space, with Musk hyping up its intelligence and xAI rolling out search features that could rival OpenAI and Google. But until real-world users get their hands on it, we won't know if it's a genuine game-changer or just another AI that's really good at sounding smart. One thing's for sure though, this AI arms race is just getting started, and we're all here for the chaos. So, is Grok 3 truly the game-changer Musk claims it to be? Will it outshine OpenAI, Google, and the rest? One thing's for sure, it's an AI worth watching. Whether you're a tech geek, a business leader, or just curious about the future, now's the time to see what Grok 3 can do.